Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to migrate from Trello to ClickUp in 2025 step by step. So step 1, log into your ClickUp account and open the workspace where you want to import your Trello boards. Step 2, click on your profile icon and then click Settings and then click Imports or Exports. Step 3, you can now start import and you can choose Trello and log into your account. Step 4, authorize your ClickUp to access your Trello. Step 5, after the authorization, ClickUp will display your Trello boards and select the ones that you want to import. Step 6, choose the workspace and folder where you want the boards to go in ClickUp. Step 7, click the Start Import and wait a few moments while ClickUp brings in your lists, cards, labels, and comments. Step 8, once the import is finished, review your tasks and customize your views in ClickUp. And now, your Trello boards are successfully moved to ClickUp. And so if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.